How to use your Breeo Outpost. I've got the 24-inch Outpost right here. I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to set this up and use it to cook over a campfire. So the first thing you wanna do is not start your fire, if possible, until you've had the Outpost set up. It just makes it easier not having to deal with the heat. Pick a spot about 3 inches from the base of the fire that's free from roots and rocks, and take the anchor point and place it with the point in the ground at that point. Hold the stabilizing bars on the top, not on the bottom, and then take the post, smooth side down, and slide it into the anchor point. Pound it into the ground using firm, even strokes, and once the stabilizing bars are actually penetrating the ground, flip the post over and lock it in place. Make sure that the stabilizing bars are perpendicular to the fire so that the weight of the grill is pressing against them. Now just slide the grill over top, and if you're using the kettle hook, you can slide that over top as well. One thing to keep in mind is that your tendency will be to anchor the Outpost leaning slightly towards the fire, so perhaps have someone standing back and watching to make sure that you're in alignment, or even lean slightly back so that your post is as straight up and down as possible to give you a nice level cooking surface. Once you're ready to pack up, getting the Outpost back in the bag is very simple. Just pull the steak out of the ground with the anchor point and then place the grill into the bag. One thing to note is that the grill needs to be on a slight angle in order to fit into the bag. It doesn't go straight in, it turns to the side in order for the bag to close. Take the anchor point out, put that in the bag, slide the post into the post sleeve on the back of the bag,